Hey guys, let's see how to reset this ring indoor camera. So it's pretty simple. You just need to press and hold the button here on the top. Okay. And then you're gonna see the LED flashing here, and later gonna hear a sound coming from the speaker. So let me just press and hold the button here on the top and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you see it's flashing here. You just let it go and wait for a while. Just observe the LED and pay attention here to the sound that's gonna come from the speaker, right? It takes a while. Just need to wait about 30 seconds or so. Let's see, right now it's just flashing. There we go. Later gonna hear a sound here, and you also need to remove from your app. So right now it's flashing. Let me just bring my cell phone here while the camera is flashing there and being reset. There we go. We'll hear the sound. And now you hear another sound that the camera is ready for the setup, right? But if you're not setting up the camera right now, it's just removing. You just need to come here to the Ring app. And here you come to the camera. That's the one. And here on settings, you come to device settings, all the way down, general settings. And from here, you can remove the device. Okay, so just hit here, remove, confirm. And you're good to go. Your camera is removed. Okay, and it's also reset. So now you can sell your camera and there's no problem at all. The new user can set up the camera because the camera is reset, ready for the setup, and it's removed from the Ring app. I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can reset a Ring indoor camera. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one.